As the snow falls gently from the sky, dropping like small butterflies, landing on the leafless trees, on the cold earth. Leaving the branches frosted in sugar, the snow appears as clouds on the ground, animals nowhere to be found. Children ice skating, gliding across the frozen water, as if they were flying away from winter. Their laughter can be heard from miles away. Holiday music brings spirit to the town. The children soon will be homeward bound. After a long day in the freezing cold, children gather around the blazing fire, sharing stories about their day, each of them telling their winter's tale. They pass the twisted marshmallows around, with their voices as the only sound.